Las Vegas Suns High School Basketball Media Day at the beautiful Red Rock Resort in Summerlin. Shout out to Canes for the meal for all the student athletes, and Kyle over at Vegas Varsity for the cool t-shirts. We appreciate you guys supporting high school athletics. This is the Spring Valley Grizzlies, Coach Paul Blair for El Compton, and Elijah Adem. Coach, give us a quick scouting report. How do the Grizzlies look so far?
We look pretty good. We're very fast. We can really shoot the ball. We rebound the basketball at a high level. We're going to play defense at a high level. We want to get up and down. That's exactly what we want to do. We're going to pick up people from full court. And that's exactly what we're trying to do. We're trying to score a lot of points this year. So that's the scouting report on us. We can really shoot the ball.
Oh, so you guys are going to be the running runs.
So
the running Grizzlies.
Running Grizzlies.
The running Grizzlies. Elijah, how you're, touch the ball a lot on the offense, I assume. How cool is that where coaches like, let's go, score a lot of points? How appealing is that to you as an offensive player?
It's good. I like to get my teammates involved. So, even if I get the ball a lot, I'm not just going to, shoot everything for myself. So I know how to, balance it out and, take it when I need to.
Sure. A lot of folks are labeling you guys as the state favorites, and I guess it's, you're going to probably get everybody's best shot each game. I guess living up to the expectations, is there pressure on that, knowing you're going to get everybody's best blow every game? Your thoughts on just being the team to beat?
I feel like there's no pressure. I love getting all the attention, all the shots. I want everybody's best shot, and so it makes me better as a player. I'm able to get better.
Sure. Terrell, tell us about the team. If you guys are going to equal the expectations that everybody has, what has to happen? What do you guys have to do to be good?
For us to be good, I feel like you have to play together, and you have to pass the ball, and be connected on offense and defense.
Coach, the pandemic, a lot of teams have kids that have never got to play a high school basketball game. And I know kids have played in AAU leagues and club leagues, but I think there's probably a little something different with the bright lights of the Friday night in a packed gym. How do you get the kids ready for that? How many returning varsity guys do you have?
We're very young. I have 5 sophomores. We have 3 seniors. So all the players that are on our roster currently, they've never played varsity before, so it's going to be a different look. But these guys played at a high level in AAU, so they'll be just fine. I would say the difference between a packed house on a Friday night, like you would say, is there's going to be a lot of fans there cheering us on. So we haven't had that in the past.
Or cheering against you.
Yeah, cheering against us. We never had that in the past. So it'll be a different look, but I think my guys are up for the task. These young guys are special, and my older guys are special too. So we'll just have to take one game at a time, and we'll make it do what it do. We'll see what happens.
All right, Pharrell, there's 10 seconds left in the game. You guys are down by 2 points. What's the play who takes the shot?
Elijah.
Okay. Just give it to him and get out of the way?
Yeah, basically.
Elijah, do you make the shot?
Yeah.
Okay, what if the play is designed for him to take it?
It's fine.
Okay. All right, well, this is the Spring Valley Grizzlies, the state favorites. I'm going to use that as many times as I can, Coach. It's so cool. Remind you guys to have a safe season. We're happy that we're going to get to play. And one more time, shout out to Vegas Varsity for the sponsorship and Canes for the meal. I know I've got to tell you guys to get Canes because you're going to go anyways. But thank you guys and have fun this year.
We appreciate you.
Yes, sir.